Good afternoon, everybody. This is Sherry with Creative Sanctuary. I just wanted to share a project share. I'm doing a collab with Scrapdaworld. I think this is the ISSA Link Party number 9, I do believe, and we were to make a gift bag and 4 tags. So I just wanted to show you what I made. This gift bag is, I just put a border around it. I hope you can see the colors. There we go. That's a much better picture. And I put a butterfly on the front of it, and I left the rest of it white. I put blue handles on the bag. So there's 2 of them, so you can hold them both together. And then on my 4 tags, let's see here. The first one I'm going to share with you is this one. I embossed. There were certain things that we needed to do. We needed to use embossing folders. Let's see, what else? Our dies, stamps if we wanted to, or whatever, to make the tags. So between all 4 of my tags, I've done everything that I was supposed to do to meet the requirements. This one I put Dream, Dream, Dream. I embossed it with the little heart embossing folder that I have. I put some red crepe paper down on the bottom and just made it like fringes. And then it's got, this is all Maggie Holms too, by the way. I used her paper. I've got some left from another project we were doing. And so I'm trying to use it all up. And then here's my hanging element. It's just some red iridescent ribbon. And I put a little bit of, it's not lace. What is it? Let's see here. It's this stuff is what I used. And yes, I got it for just $1, and I don't know if I got it at Joann's or if I got it offline. I'm not sure. I don't quite remember, but anyway, there's my first tag. I didn't do the back of this one at all. I just left it blank because I used pre-made tags. And then put that one in there upside down because of the frills on it. And then this one, it says, "Hey, good looking" on it. And I just, again, I didn't do the back of it. I put the little cat and Rose over here. Where is it? Right there. And yeah, the cat right here. I just thought that was really pretty. I just love this tag. And then on this one, it's very simple, and just I think it's kind of elegant. I'm not sure what you guys think about it, but I used the purple on the top for the hanging element. I cut out this little bunny rabbit and put a googly eye and a little bit of white, like a pom-pom on it. I hope you guys can see that. And then I used another die and I cut out, like, this looks like a fence or whatever, and it's got this dimension. And then this is up, it says "I love you," and that's up on dimension. Just really, really simple on that one. And then on this one, I did lots. I did the front and the back. Again, it's all Maggie Holms paper except for the rosette and the pink paper. It's just regular paper, no name brand type. And it's got Happy Happy on there and the clock. And then I did do the back of this one. I thought that paper that I had, again, no name brand paper, matched really good with the clock and stuff. So I hope you enjoy my project. We'll be moving on to number 10 at the end of this month. Again, it's all done through Scrapdaworld, her ISS Link Party. You can find her at scrapdaworld.com, I believe, is what her page is, where you can go look at everything that all the rest of the ladies have made. Again, I hope you enjoyed my project, and you guys all have a great day, and God bless.